definitely a big time crush, in my opinion. But I think it's fun, and I would totally do this again.
What gets me most excited is just experiencing the flavor after all that hard work.
Hopefully leave you filled and very satisfied with your dish.
That if you can really bring that personality to the forefront and have a really clean presentation, it will truly send you over the edge and make you really memorable.
But I'm always going to start with flavor first, because that's going to be the thing that people are looking for.
Organic fruits and vegetables, and even the meats and everything, and using lean cuts of meat. I think that's really important as well.
It's got to taste good, it's got to look good, and be healthy.
And we invite you all to come next year to the Flavors of Life competition.